You're installing a 200 amp service to a commercial building with a 100 amp subpole in the office, and these buildings are connected. You're asking if the electrical code allows you to run the feeds for the 100 amp service inside the wall. According to the National Electrical Code, or NEC, feeders can indeed be run inside a wall, provided certain conditions are met. 1. The wall needs to be constructed of fire-resistant materials. 2. The feeders must be protected by overcurrent devices at both ends. Therefore, in your specific scenario, you can run the feeders for your 100 amp service inside the wall of the commercial building if those two conditions are satisfied. The wall must be fire resistant, and the feeders must have overcurrent protection at both ends. It is imperative to ensure both of these provisions are adhered to for code compliance and safety. Overcurrent protection typically includes circuit breakers or fuses appropriately sized for the conductor ampacity and the connected load. You'll want to consult the specific NEC articles related to overcurrent protection, conductor sizing, and wiring methods applicable to commercial buildings to ensure a complete and safe installation. Remember to verify local amendments to the NEC, as jurisdictions may have additional requirements or modifications to the national code. Consult with a qualified electrical inspector to confirm that your installation meets all applicable regulations before energizing the circuits.